Reading list works very much like bookmarks, but it is better suited for articles or product web pages that don't need to have a permanent bookmark, but can still be accessed again in the near future. Reading list can be found in the middle tab when we tap the bookmarks button on iPhone and from the sidebar on iPad. I already have one article saved here. Tap to jump to that page. On the iPhone, let's open an article here on bleacherreport.com. To move this into the reading list, tap the Share button and Add to Reading List. Now we can close or navigate away from this page and still easily find it again later to read the article. In Safari settings, all the way at the bottom, we have a toggle to automatically save reading list items for offline use. This means even without an internet connection, anything saved in our reading list will load in Safari. I always keep this on. Once saved to the reading list, it will also be synced to my other devices. I could then come back to read this article anytime. Once we view a reading list item, it will be marked as read. This can also be done with a swipe right on any reading list item. They can also be deleted with a swipe left. We can view only unread reading list items from this tab.